Hi, today we're diving into Beae's page analytics features to explore how visitors interact with your Shopify page. With Beae, you'll gain valuable insights to enhance your business strategies, drive growth, and ultimately increase your sales. Let's get started. First, we'll guide you on how to access the analytics page within the Beae Page Builder app. When using the Beae, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on the Analytics option in this menu. This will take you to the Analytics dashboard. Next, you'll need to activate Google Analytics. If you haven't logged into the Page Analytics yet, please select Open Analytics Settings. Afterwards, select Login. You will be connected with the email account through Google Analytics. After completing the authorization process for connecting your email, a pop-up will appear where we will set up the following: account, property, data stream. Now let's explore how Page Analytics works. Return to the Analytics page to gain valuable insights into your page performance. Click on each page to access detailed reports and enhance your analysis. To use the filter features, simply click on the magnifying glass icon. You can then search by the type of page you want to analyze. Dates. If you want to compare data from a previous period with the current one, simply select the previous period to view your old data in the older version of Beae. Moving on, let's learn what can be measured in the Beae Page Analytics. There are 4 vital metrics that Beae provides for analyzing your pages. Add to cart rate. This metric tracks the percentage of visitors who add a product to their cart, giving insight into customer intent. Sessions. This measures the number of visits to your page, helping you understand the overall traffic and user engagement. Visitors. This counts the unique users visiting your page, providing a clear view of your audience size. Product views. This metric shows how many times a product is viewed, indicating its popularity and interest level. How to create a Google Analytics account. Follow these steps to create a Google Analytics account. Step 1. Access Google Analytics. Open your browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Log in with your Google account. Step 2. Start creating a new account. After logging in, if this is your first time using Google Analytics, you will see a button labeled Start Measuring. Click this button to begin the account creation process. If you already have an account and want to create a new one, click Admin in the lower left corner, then select Create Account. Next, set up your Google Analytics account. Enter your store URL name and set up the stream name, then hit the Create Stream button, and now you have completed the process. After that, select Next and head back to your store to finish the setup. That wraps up our video tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content. If you need any assistance, our team is available 24/7 via live chat. Thanks for watching.